Hello everyone, in this episode of Day Job presented by Sparesbox, we continue the performance upgrades on our XR6 Turbo Bazza. With our performance parts in stock, it was time to get to work. First step was to strip everything out of the engine bay back to a bare long motor so we could get it ready to send to the guys at Empire Mechanical and Racing. We dropped Bazza off at Empire Mechanical and Racing and they decided to pull the engine to make life easy. Plus, they knew we were planning converting the car to manual, so all needed to come out anyway. The 4-speed automatic box is going where it belongs, in the bin. With the engine out and on a stand, the boys started rectifying the Barra's weak points using the Empire Elite Performance Parts Barra catalogue, so we could make some extra grunt safely. First up, the valve springs were upgraded as the factory items are too soft to handle increased boost pressure and cylinder pressures and suffers from valve float once you up the power too much over stock. Next was installing the upgraded head studs, required to keep the head gasket sealing under increased cylinder pressures. The factory gasket can cope with the extra power, it just needs a better seal provided by the increased clamping force available from the upgraded head studs. With the head sorted, next to do was upgrade the factory oil pump. This requires the timing chain to be removed, so we not only upgraded to a billet oil pump gear and billet oil pump backing plate, but also installed an Empire Elite Performance Parts upgraded timing chain kit as well. This is all considered essential upgrades for a Barra when trying to make power on the stock rotating assembly. With the engine upgrades done, the guys from Empire reinstalled Bazza's heart before upgrading the Intank fuel pump. Next was the manual conversion, and the first thing we needed was a clutch and flywheel. For us, there was only one option, a direct clutch services twin plate clutch. We've used these in our GTR and Silvia for years with great success. The 9-inch clutch plates means it can be spec'd to hold well over 1,000 horsepower, so it'll cop whatever we can throw at it. The cross-drilled plates help dissipate heat, and the clamping force can be set based on what power you want to make. Best of all, it's all serviceable right here in Australia. The boys at Empire had no problem installing it before fitting up the 6-speed manual gearbox we purchased. We opted for the Tramac TR6060 out of an FG XR6 Turbo, the strongest manual box option for the XR6, meaning it is future-proofed for more power and potential upgrades. We bought it along with the crossmember, clutch pedal, slave and master cylinders, lines, sandwich plates and starter motor. Basically everything required except the tail shaft, which we will get custom made. The last thing to do at Empire was install the upgraded Intank fuel pump. Thanks to their years of experience with Falcons and Barra engines, the boys had all of the work done in a day and stuck to our day job, and Bazza was sent back to impossible fabrication. In our next episode, we start installing the bolt-on go-fast bits.